Every year, drivers across America shell out a staggering $23 billion in rust-related repairs, a number that's climbing faster than ever thanks to aggressive desing chemicals and unpredictable weather patterns. But what if I told you that with the right strategies, you could shield your vehicle from this silent killer entirely, saving thousands while extending your car's life by decades? In this comprehensive guide, I'm pulling back the curtain on 20 game-changing tips to prevent rust once and for all. We'll debunk more myths than ever, dive deeper into cutting-edge science, and arm you with practical, DIY-friendly steps that even beginners can master. Whether you're battling Midwest salt storms or coastal humidity, these secrets will transform how you protect your ride. Let's jump right in and start with the foundations that most overlook. Number 20. Understand the true enemies of your car's metal. Rust isn't just about water meeting steel. It's a complex electrochemical reaction accelerated by culprits you might not suspect. Oxygen plays a starring role, but electrolytes like road salt, magnesium chloride, and even everyday pollutants supercharge the process. Contrast this with the common myth that rust only hits old cars. New models are vulnerable too, especially with thinner steel gauges used for fuel efficiency. Manufacturers cut corners here, prioritizing weight savings over longevity, which means your 2024 SUV could start corroding in just 2 winters if unprotected. To combat this, start by assessing your environment. If you're in the Salt Belt, states like Michigan, New York, or Ohio, your risk triples compared to arid regions like Arizona. Coastal drivers face airborne salt spray that infiltrates seams invisibly. Begin your defense with a baseline inspection. Jack up your car safely and use a flashlight to check for early signs like bubbling paint or flaky residue. Unlike the superficial checks dealers push, this hands-on approach empowers you to spot issues before they escalate. Pair it with a pH test kit, available for under $20 online, to measure acidity in runoff water around your vehicle. High acidity? That's a red flag for accelerated corrosion. By understanding these enemies, you're not just reacting, you're preventing. This sets the stage for our next tip, where proactive protection begins at the dealership. Number 19. Opt for factory upgrades that actually work, but skip the dealer upsells. Here's where contrast framing shines. While consumer reports might downplay add-ons, real-world data from NHTSA recalls shows that enhanced corrosion warranties from brands like Toyota or Volvo can add 5-10 years of rust-free driving. But beware, dealers often bundle worthless rust-proofing packages for $500, $1,000 that are little more than watered-down sprays. Instead, request galvanized steel components or electronic rust inhibitors during purchase. These use sacrificial anodes, similar to those on boats, to divert corrosion away from vital parts. For existing cars, retrofit with zinc-rich primers on vulnerable areas like wheel wells. A study from the Society of Automotive Engineers found that galvanized underbodies reduce rust by 70% in saline tests. Apply this yourself. Clean the surface with a wire brush, degrease with isopropyl alcohol, and spray on a zinc primer like those from Rust-Oleum. Let it cure for 24 hours before driving. This beats temporary oils because it's permanent and self-healing. Smoothly transitioning, even the best factory protection fails without regular maintenance, which leads us to a habit that could save you $5,000 in frame repairs. Number 18. Master the art of undercarriage washing like a pro. Imagine this contrast. A car washed weekly lasts 15-20 years rust-free, while neglected ones crumble in half that time per AA statistics. The key? Focus below the belt line where salt accumulates unseen. Standard car washes miss 60% of brine buildup, so invest in a high-pressure undercarriage wand. Models like the MTM Hydro start at $40 and blast at $3,000 PSI. Use it bi-weekly in winter. Elevate your car on ramps. Spray from front to back, targeting frame rails, suspension, and exhaust. Add a salt-neutralizing soap like Salt Away to break down chlorides chemically. For coastal folks, rinse after every beach drive to combat salt fog. Don't forget interior drains. Clogged ones trap moisture, leading to hidden rot. Use compressed air or a flexible wire to clear sunroof, door, and trunk drains quarterly. This simple routine prevents the inside-out rust that totals frames. Building on this, let's explore coatings that lock in that cleanliness for long-term defense. Number 17. Choose the right rust-proofing formula for your climate and budget. Oil-based sprays like fluid film are great for humid areas, creating a waxy barrier that repels water, but they drip and require annual reapplication. Contrast that with rubberized undercoatings like POR 15, which form a tough permanent skin ideal for salt-heavy zones. For DIY, prep by power washing, then apply in thin layers with a spray gun, covering rocker panels and seams. Pro tip: mix in graphite for added slipperiness against debris. Science backs this. Lanolin derivatives in these products inhibit oxidation by 90%, per lab tests from the American Chemical Society. If you're splurging, consider ceramic nanocoatings that bond molecularly, lasting 5+ years. Avoid dealer versions. Independent shops charge half. This protection amplifies when paired with our next strategy, turning your garage into a rust fortress. Number 16. Optimize your parking and storage to minimize exposure. Here's a stark contrast. Parking in a heated garage can accelerate rust by 200% due to melt-induced moisture spread, as university studies confirm, versus a cool, ventilated space that lets ice stay frozen and salt inert. Ideal setup? A carport with breathable cover, blocking UV and rain while allowing airflow. For apartments, use dehumidifiers set to 40% humidity and fans for circulation. Avoid grass or gravel lots where dew wicks up, corroding from below. In summer, shade trees prevent paint fade that exposes metal. This environmental control seamlessly leads to advanced tech that takes prevention to the next level. Number 15. Harness cathodic protection without the gimmicks. Those electronic zappers? Mostly hype, but true cathodic systems, using zinc anodes bolted to the frame, work wonders, sacrificing themselves instead of your steel, as proven on pipelines and ships. Install DIY for $100. Attach anodes to clean metal, connect with wire, and ground properly. Expect 80–95% rust reduction in tests. For classics, full galvanizing dips the chassis in molten zinc. While waiting for better car tech, this bridges to everyday items that secretly sabotage your efforts. Number 14. Ditch damaging accessories that trap moisture. Rubber mats seem protective, but they seal in salt water, rotting floors. Contrast with breathable carpet liners that allow evaporation. Remove mats post-dry with a shop vac. Similarly, avoid cheap mud flaps that channel spray into seams. Opt for aerodynamic ones. This awareness flows into early detection, our next crucial step. Number 13. Become a rust inspector extraordinaire. Spot surface rust early? Sand, prime, and paint to halt it, unlike ignored scale that bubbles and costs $2,000+. Use borescopes for hidden spots like inside doors. Annual pro inspections catch 90% of issues pre-damage. Now let's amp up with chemical warriors. Number 12. Deploy salt neutralizers and inhibitors aggressively. Brine is 10x more corrosive than salt alone, so use chelating agents in washes to bind ions. Products like Rhino Hide neutralize on contact. Combine with inhibitors like tannic acid converters that turn rust into stable compounds. Apply post-wash for ongoing shield. Number 11. Wax and seal exteriors meticulously. Ceramic coatings outlast wax by years, repelling contaminants. Contrast wax's 3-month life but lower cost. Buff on quarterly, focusing on edges. This exterior care complements battery maintenance next. Number 10. Safeguard battery areas from acid leaks. Corroded trays weaken structures. Clean terminals with soda, grease, and inspect trays biannually. Replace leaking batteries promptly to avoid $500 fixes.